Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to jump right into the half double crochet. So if you've seen the last video, this is our crochet basics series. I did single crochet in the last video. We're going to do half double crochet in this video. The next video will be double crochet, and then we're going to do a tutorial, a project that's going to incorporate all of them together, something that's useful, and then you guys can practice your stitches, but also make something. So down below in the first link is my crochet basics guide, like my beginner crochet guide. It's a blog post that has tons of information, so be sure to check that out. Let's jump right in. We're going to learn how to half double crochet. All right, so in this video lesson, we're going to be talking about the half double crochet. And so I did a quick row of it. It's kind of tricky to see, but these are single crochets, and then this top one is half double crochets. And half double crochets are slightly taller. They are a little bit, I think they're a slightly faster stitch. You can see how I've got a 3-strand cluster here. So this is a half double crochet. Sometimes it's difficult to tell the difference. But if you're working along with me and you've got your cotton yarn, and we did our foundation chain, and we did some single crochets, now we're going to do some some half double crochets. So we'll yarn over to make our little chain one, and we're going to insert our hook in this first little V stitch here. But before we do that, we need to yarn over. So yarn over first, then insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. That will leave 3 loops on your hook, and then you'll yarn over and pull through all 3. Oh, and hopefully it goes better than that one did. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, all 3 loops. And the thing I like about this stitch is it's a little fatter, a little puffier, a little taller than the single crochet. But because it's sort of a natural motion, so you do that initial yarn over and you can really get a good groove. I'm going to kind of stitch at my normal pace. And you can really get kind of a good groove going with the half double crochet. So that's one of the reasons why I like it a lot. And half double crochet will look like HDC on a pattern. It's a very common stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, and when you're inserting, make sure you insert underneath the 2 strands that make up that V shape. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now real quick, I wanted to show you on this fuzzier yarn that I've been sort of working with as well, what that would look like. So I'm at the end of a row, so I chain 1, turn my work. We're going to stitch in this first guy here, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, all 3 loops. And again, we're inserting underneath both of these strands, yarn over, pull through, all 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, all 3 loops. And again, make sure you're letting your hook do the work for you. Don't be, tightening down that stitch after every time you crochet. Try to relax and really sort of let your hook, let the yarn glide along your hands, and practice doing some of these half double crochets and have a little bit of fun. It's okay. Remember, it's okay if it feels weird at first. It'll just take some practice. But that is the half double crochet. Okay, what did you guys think of that one? On a personal note, this is my favorite stitch of all time. I love this stitch. It's so simple. You can get a really good groove going, really beautiful stitch, and really simple and easy. So if you are not already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.